Hey everyone, what's up? It's the Neverminer here, and today we are playing a Minecraft map. I'm by myself. I really have no idea how long this map is going to take. Anyway, the map is don't press the button. So you probably shouldn't press the button. Except the subscribe button. You should definitely press that one because it's really fun, and I like making these videos, and it would really support me and help me out. So you should do that. Anyway, I need to put my sound on because that's not it. There. Boop. Is this going to... It says welcome. I guess nothing's going to play. Alright, the rules and game. Don't throw any items in the lava unless told. Don't lose any items. Don't put them in a chest. Don't drop them. Okay. Brightness moody. Video settings, brightness moody, render distance 8 chunks. Wow, that's so annoying. Very important, take always everything if you can get it. There's nothing in there. Get it. Get it? Okay. You might get stuck in the next night. Oh, more than one night. Perfect. Also, when home, you can place items you got that night. Great. Watch out and follow the hints. Now go guard. It said take everything. Difficulty 0. Great, I can't change that. Take always everything, however, I never hide chests with only things in it for the next night. You always get items that you'll need immediately too. Don't put any items in chests ever. Okay, great. Boop. My new job, what do I do? Do not touch. Probably shouldn't touch it. Exit. Elemental library. Of course, what guard thing doesn't need that? Key place, storage, press start job. Didn't it say not to press the button? Alright. Hello there, I will be your instructor, and welcome the Killster to your new job. Your only job is to not press the button. Easy, right? Why is this job so popular then? Well, you see, the previous people kind of freaked out. They all snapped. Pressed it. I think I can handle it. You know, I am the Killster, so, yeah. Think so? We'll see. This is only the first night, so good luck. Oh, and be warned, magic spells are not uncommon around here. Yeah, sure. Fine. Bye. So, why are the stars not moving? Are there stars? Where are there stars? Hello? I don't think I could press this button even if I tried to. Hey, psst! Who is there? Press the wood button again to get hints. You'll need 'em. Hi there. Keep it quiet. They shouldn't know I am there. Why do I need hints? Only I can say now is that night won't end itself. You gotta do something, and every night this place changes. This night you'll have to find the beacon of magic. Do it, or the night will be eternal. But I have so many questions. Save 'em. It's already too late. I must go. See you next night. No, wait! That button evaporated, I guess. I'm going in here now. Is there just like nothing in here? What about on the ceiling? Is there anything? Oh, there we go. Found it. I have, taking hunger. Can be placed on stained glass. Magic element key accepted. Melt the frozen clock and time shall pass. Great. Where's that? This must be it, probably, but how do I melt it? Is there a magical lava bucket, too? Icebreaker. Get it? I'm breaking the ice, but also, like, the hint button told me to do oh. Night 1 complete. Have some rest. That was so easy. Self-reminder, don't put anything in the chest. I have some paintings. Am I supposed to be sleeping? I hope so. Diary. Nothing. Hello? Am I supposed to be doing something? Oh, do I put down the... It's my house. Wow, I really can't see anything. Do I put these down? I don't know if that was right or not. I went... Can't type in here. Yay. Okay, where... What am I supposed to be doing here? Wait, how did I just sleep again? What? That's weird. Great, now they're just regular paintings and I can't place them anywhere. Is there like... Oh, work. Found it. Boop. So, second night. Huh? Like the job? It's too easy, there's nothing to do. Too easy, I thought it was too hard, so I added a hint system. Yeah, added. Nice. Anyways, good night and luck. If you survive it, you'll get your next payment. And press the button again to get hints. As you can see, the magic element has changed into the plant element. I did notice that there was bushes. You see, every night there is another element, but the weird thing is, there are 10 nights. The 9th night element is dark. But to get there, you'll have to press the button. You'll handle it later. I'll open the library for you. Great. Thanks. Oh! It's a tree of life. Is there anything else in these chests? Yeah, that seems right. Anywho. Boop! Plant element key accepted. I still have my icebreaker. Vent tool can break iron blocks. I mean, did that say iron blocks or iron bars? It can break iron bars, not blocks. I'm being silly. Where are there iron bars? Any iron bars in here? Nope, just a bunch of plants. Where are those iron bars? Are they in here? Back in this library? Nope. What the heck? Where are they? Come on. I bet they're somewhere. Am I supposed to be parkouring? Oh, I'm trying. I don't know if this is intended. Oh, nope, it was. There are the iron bars. Yee! That worked well. That really worked well. Ah! Okay, wait. Done. I have obtained myself some steak so that I don't die. Oh my god, let me in. Let me in that dang vent. There we go. I could push the button, but I don't want to. That place looks somewhat dangerous, but what's this place? Into the library. I don't really want to go into the library. Come on. Boop. Oh, jeez. Is it? Can I break this? No, I can't. What's this? Water exhibition. Not ready yet. Yeah, I'd say there's no water. It's just ice. Oh. There we go. Night 2 complete. Have some rest. What the? Oh, I get it. I'm supposed to be placing this stuff in my house. Okay. I thought that I did that wrong, and I was just being silly. Okay, what do we have? Water exhibition. Hey, wasn't that there last time? Boop. 3 out of 10. Going great. Keep it up. There is a thing. We closed the library. I understand. It was spooky in there. Actually, a cursed book has been found and has to be destroyed immediately. That's why you'll need to find it. Fast. Hey! I mean, what book? Well, I gotta go now. Ice is melting. Okay. Button. Great. Hello? Oh, okay. Just gotta break that. Got it. Does this do anything? Nope. Don't think so. Great. Okay, I'm sorry. This will not make a good video. I seriously have to turn up my brightness. Not working so well, but still. Anyway. I don't think it would make a very good video if it was just me wandering around and you guys just like literally could not see a thing. So I turned it up. That's the excuse I'm giving, because to be honest, I literally just couldn't see a thing. Whee! Oh, good. More water. I need to find, what was it, a cursed book? I bet it's on top of this here tree. Whee! Oh, nope. Wait, what is this? It's just a... Where did I get a carpet? Oh, boy. Oh, good. More parkour that I'm not so good at. Oh, boy. Maybe I'll pause it halfway, because this is shaping up to be like a pretty hard night. I mean map. Yeah. Well, like, long anyway. And who knows? It seems like it'll be fun. But, I guess we'll see. Woo! Made it. I'm not... Oh, wait. I don't think I could anyway. There's, like, glass above it. That place is closed. That also place is closed. And here's the library. Goodbye. Hi. Please read. To the decursor. Please burn the cursed book in the sacred fire. That might remove the curse. If that doesn't work... Dark Exhibition, Storage 268. The cursed book is hidden well, and it only appears when you read this. If you want to get out of the library, find the cursed book, and then a chest will contain the barrier breaker. Thanks. Dirk, the instructor. Great. Where is that cursed book? I guess I just have to kinda find it somewhere. Okay. Oh, well, look at that. I found it. It's got Curse of Vanishing on it. I didn't even know that was in 1.12.2. I mean, 1.11.2. Where is that sacred fire they were talking about? Is it just going to give me, like, a flint and steel? Yes, no, maybe? The cursed book wasn't hidden that well. I mean, like, it's just kinda... Boop. Anyway, where is this sacred fire I'm supposed to be burning it on? 1 second, I just eat a steak. Is there anything I can break? That? Wait, what happened? Was I not supposed to do that? Did it say don't throw items? Don't throw any items in lava. Oh, it was just kind of on the floor. Okay, well, that didn't work. Where is the sacred flame? Like, come on. Oh boy, low battery. Love that. Anyway. Whoop. Where could this possibly be? Oh. Found it. Goodbye. Great. Now what? Where is that sacred flame that you were talking about? Is it like somewhere around here? Wish. Okay, wait, what did it say? Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to go back up, don't I? And then, that was silly. And then I have to break the barrier with this thing, with the barrier breaker, and I should probably be good. Whee! Made it. This should work. Yeah, I can't do anything there. Whoosh. Okay, I can do something here though. I bet this is the way to the sacred flame. Oh, this is the snowy place. I guess that's the next element. Got some ladders. Great. I need like a sacred flame. Okay, well, apparently I have to get out of here like this. Great. I don't know why it did that to me, but I saw another chest in there and I want to see what's in it. There it is, it's right over there. Oh, I made it. What's this? Roof key, storage key. Okay, great. I don't think I did that right. Time to climb. You know, maybe I'll split this into like 3 parts. Woo. It's this. Done. 2D cursor, don't leave without the cursed book. Okay. Well, I left with the cursed book. Night 3 complete. Have some rest. Alright, so I think this is going to be a 3-part series because this seems to be a pretty long map, so I am going to end the episode here, and I will see you guys next time for the second part of this. Goodbye.